Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Asana project followers and notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Asana and log into your account. Navigate to the project for which you want to restore followers and notifications. Locate the project name at the top of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the project name. Select Manage Project Members from the options provided. In the Project Members panel, you'll see a list of current followers and members. Identify the users you want to add back as followers. Click on the plus Add Members button if their names are not already listed. Type the names or email addresses of the users you wish to add. Select their names from the drop-down suggestions that appear. Once selected, click the Add button to confirm. Now that you've added followers, it's time to check notification settings. Click on the Customize button located in the top right corner of the project. In the Customization menu, navigate to the Notifications section. Ensure that followers' notifications are enabled for task updates, comments, and due dates. You can adjust individual settings according to each follower's preferences. Once you've reviewed the notification settings, close the Customization panel. To verify if changes were successful, ask one of the followers to check their notifications after a task update. Make sure to communicate with your team and ensure they're aware of these changes. This will keep everyone aligned and informed about project developments. You have now successfully restored followers and notifications for your Asana project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.